off, hold the deck in a dealer grip like this and break the deck into 3 packets like this with your thumb and index. Now curl your ring finger and place this packet on top. Now extend your 3 fingers. Now contact your right thumb with the bottom of the packet here and rotate it about with your thumb and index and place it right over here in shoulder cut position. Now with your right hand you're going to place your pinky underneath the long side here and break a packet with your index and balance the packet about your pinky right over here. Now complete the shoulder cut and hold this packet with your index and thumb and insert these center 2 packets like this into each other to form one packet. Now with your right ring and pinky clip a single card from the top of this packet over here and close this cut in your left hand like this. At the same time curl your index and ring the single card towards your palm. Now hold the deck or break a packet from here with your index, middle and thumb, and from here keep your ring finger curled, so you're going to be basically clipping the packet with your middle and ring, twisting it around like this and holding it like this. Now move this single 8 of space packet down like this and strip a packet from the single card from the bottom and place it on top this queen card and clip it. Now you're going to do a backdrop shot, which is basically clipping the card between your thumb and index and letting go with your pinky like this, and that's it.